That over there is Manchester city centre, which is where MyMoto Manchester is. And we're now up on Werneth Low, which is near where I live. Now, Royal Enfield recently posted a video, or posted a Facebook post saying that the Meteor 350 was £45 a month to finance, 0% finance. So we've got a Meteor 350. We're going to ride this for a week in and out of Manchester commuting and see if you can buy this bike on finance and fuel it for less than what it would cost for a train ticket or to fuel a car or van in my case. So without further ado, let's hit the road and find out what this thing can do. First thing, Monday morning, I brimmed the tank on the Meteor 350 and zeroed the odometer so we could see what mileage we did over the week and then gauge the fuel consumption. Monday morning, day one on the train. Let's see how much train tickets cost. Morning, how's it going?
Alright.
Can I have a return to Manchester Piccadilly, please, if that's alright?
Cheers, mate. Have a good day.
Thank you, cheers. See you. The train didn't have the most comfortable of seats and it had limited leg room as well. The ticket cost £8.30 for a return from Rosehill to Manchester Piccadilly, which you could potentially get a bit cheaper if you did a season ticket. We did the exact same with the van as what we did with the bike. Monday morning, we filled it up to full, used it for the week, so again we could gauge fuel consumption and the running costs. It's amazing how much quicker you can cut through the traffic on a motorcycle, even in rush hour, compared with driving a car or a van on the same road. Arrived in Manchester, 9:15, so I've got 15 minutes to get to work. It's about a 9-minute walk. See you now. Actually saw my moto from the train, which is quite cool. Like I said, it's about a 9-minute walk. I'd set off 15 minutes before I would have on the bike to get to the train, so set off 15 minutes earlier walking to the station, so it's already taking longer. So I'm wearing the Crosby jacket still, because generally speaking most of the bike jackets I like to get are ones that I can wear both on and off the bike, and I'll wear them all the time, and this definitely fits into that category. Opening up. Morning, Si.
Good morning.
And then to the office. Back at Manchester Piccadilly station. So I finished work at 5:30, which is when the MyMoto shop shuts in Manchester. Not in Claycross or Leeds though. They shut at 5 o'clock. So finished work at 5:30, 10-minute walk back to Piccadilly. So I got here at, what, 22? 26, and the train doesn't leave till 21 minutes past 6, so I've now got a bit of a wait. One of the downsides to travelling on a train, I suppose. That's the first trip on the train done. Half an hour to get back, so that makes it now, let's have a look, just coming up to 7 o'clock now. And on the bike I was getting back at 20 past, so quite a bit later. So it's now Friday night. Done 5 days commuting in and out of Manchester on this. We've used, I think we've used 3 bars of fuel. I need to brim it again. Right, that's brimmed. £8.95. 6.17 litres. £8.95, that is ridiculously cheap. £110 miles on £8.95. That is insane. I need to work out what the MPG is on this because that is just crazy good. When we put the results into a chart, you can see the motorcycle is so much quicker to commute on than in a van or on the train, with the average being only 25 minutes. We did 110 miles over the 5 days, which cost £8.95 in fuel, which averaged out at a staggering 81 miles per gallon over the week. The VW T5 van, 50 minutes on average to commute on, 180 miles done, with a fuel price of £29.51 and a 28 miles per gallon fuel consumption. The train was the most expensive and the most time consuming, so 1 hour 5 minutes to commute with a walk at either end, and £41.50 for the train tickets for the 5 days. That means the Royal Enfield would cost £1,396.20p in fuel over the 36 months that you would finance it for. The VW T5 over the same period cost £4,603.56 in fuel, and the train would cost you £6,474 in train tickets over the same period. That means that you could buy the Royal Enfield, which includes the deposit, every instalment and the final payment, and pay for all the fuel for that bike, and it would cost you £1,018.80p less than taking the train, and it would only cost £851.64p more than fueling the van. The bonus being, at the end of it, you would own the bike, and once you were past the 36 months, the commute cost would be substantially cheaper. Thank you for watching our video. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching it as much as we've enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Until next time, ride safe.